Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Khalid Saki, a PhD scholar at Academy of Biology and Medicine, Southern Federal University. So today I am here with a new PhD application which is offered from Institute of Science and Technology Austria. If we talk about the application, then Austria offers only one application per year, and the application deadline is 8 January. The starting date is in September, and the deadline is 8 January, and you have to submit your application before 8 January. And the eligibility is that if you have completed your bachelor degree or master degree, then you can apply for this scholarship. If you have completed only bachelor, then you can also apply. Or if you have completed your master degree, then you can also apply for this scholarship. And if we talk about how we can apply for this scholarship, then I am going to tell you that how you can apply. First of all, you should write ISTA PhD application 2026 on Google Chrome. Then this interface will open. You have to click on apply now. Okay. Then after that, ISTA main page will open. Okay. So first of all, if you are going to applying for first time, then you have to register yourself. If you are applying for the second time, then you can simply enter your login information, just like your email ID and password, and log into the portal. And if you are applying for the first time, then you can click on I need to register. You have to put your information, just like your personal information, like your name, your passport number, or email ID. And after that, you will be able to log in into the main on the main portal. After doing this, ISTA main page will be open. Okay, you can check that this is the application page. This is only one document you have to submit for the application. As you can see on the screen, the first page is about personal data. You have to enter your personal information, just like your first name and last name, your current address, city, and postal code, and the country of residence. And you have to write here your personal permanent address and personal email, mobile number, and these are the personal data. Then after that, you have to put your educational detail as by September 2026, which is the highest degree level you will have obtained. They're asking about your highest degree. If you have done your bachelor degree, then you can click on bachelor. If you have done your master degree, then you can click on the master degree. Then after that, bachelor degree detail you have to enter. Bachelor field of study, you have to enter your field, bachelor department, institute name, websites. These are the general information, city and country, and the bachelor degree start date and date of graduation. Highest possible grade for this bachelor degree and lowest possible grade of this bachelor degree. It's mean as in Pakistan there is a maximum 4 CGPA and highest जो grade होगा वो आपका 4 होगा and lowest is usually university has set it criteria, it should be 2 or 1.8 or something, and you have to enter your CGPA here and bachelor degree GPA converted. You can use this calculator to convert your CGPA into the Austrian GPA. Then you have to enter your master degree detail just like the bachelor degree detail. And after that, next is about the main application data which is considered for your application. And first you have to choose your research area. There are different options given here. You have to choose your area of research. So for mine, it's genetics and genomics, biochemistry, and evolutionary biology. You can choose your area of interest. You know in which research area you want to do research, PhD research. Okay. Then after that, there is a list of professors. Here you have to choose 3 to 5 professors in order of preference. If you are interested in 5 professors research area, okay, then you should mark them in the preference. If you are giving a professor number 1 preference, then it will matter. Okay, your preference will be considered for it. So how you can choose these professors? As you don't know about the research area, then you cannot choose them blindly. You can see there is a link mentioned here about the research groups. Okay, you have to click on this link, then it will lead you to the professors which are offering PhD, okay, PhD positions. And as I have click on this, and this interface will open, and you can, from here, you can check that there are different programs: biology, chemistry and material, computer science. If you want to apply for computer science related research program, then you can click on computer science. If you want to apply for biology related research area, then you should click on biology. When you will click on this, after that, this interface will open. Here you can see that there are different professors' names mentioned. First of all, you can check that research areas: genetics and genomics, evolutionary biology, cell and developmental biology. Okay, and after that, you can see below, these are the name of different professors who are doing research in evolutionary biology, and De Bono, Feng, these are the professors who are conducting research on genetics and genomics. You can visit their profile. Uh, Before selecting the name of any professor, you should visit his profile thoroughly. Okay, in his profile, his research area will be mentioned in detail, which research project he is currently have, on which he is working, and furthermore his email ID will be given on there, and his all team, his team in Europe or in foreign universities have different professor, and professor has a full team which will be consist of a postdoctorate, 2 to 3 postdoctorate will be in a lab, 1 to 2 or 3 PhD or must, and 1 to 2 master student can be in his team. Okay, if I select on De Bono, then it will lead to the main page of this professor's lab. As you can check that this is the De Bono group. Okay, this professor has its own group. You can check that it is mentioned on which area he is conducting research: genes, circuits and behavior. Okay, you can read it thoroughly. If you think that this is relevant to you, then you can choose this professor as your preference. Okay, then after that, here is the team, which is his group leader Mario De Bono, and he is assistant to professor. And then you can check his team: a postdoctorate, PhD student, PhD, another research technician, another postdoc, another PhD, and this is the all team of this professor. And furthermore, you can check that the current project he is offering. Okay, you should read it thoroughly, and after that you can also check the professor publications. If you think that it is relevant to you, then you can choose this professor as your preference. Okay, and same, you can check the other professors like that before selecting that. After selecting the professors, then you can move next. There are some additional questions, as you can check that in the first, it is asked that you have to write 2 to 3 short paragraphs, and should answer this question: why you are interested in this group, and why you choose this research group. You have to specify the reason. Then next, choose a paper by ISTA professor. You have to read the different papers of ISTA professors which are your area of interest, and you can write that why you find this research exciting and why you like this paper, and you have to write it in your own word. Then you can also write about other research groups which are outside the ISTA, any other paper which you find interesting, then you can write about this paper. Then in the next section, attachments, you have to upload your curriculum vitae, CV, statement of purpose, why you want to apply. You have to justify the reasons, bachelor certificate or diploma, and as you can check that master certificate is and master transcript is optional. As I have clearly mentioned that if you have done bachelor degree, then you can also apply for this PhD. Okay, so it's not mandatory that you have a master degree. If you have done master, then it's good. You can upload the master certificate and transcript here. Then after that, there are some additional information. Have you done an internship at ISTA? If you have done any internship at ISTA, then you can check yes. If you have not done at ISTA, then you can click on no button. Okay. Then after that, if yes, then you have to explain your experience. Do you have laboratory experience outside coursework? You have to mention. If you have, then you can select among these. Okay. Do you have any kind of publication? If you have any publication, then you can mention yes, I have. Also mention your DOI. Have you participated in any science Olympiad? You can select among these options: biology, chemistry, computer science. And have you won any award? If you won any award, you can select from these for your bachelor thesis, for your master thesis. Then there are some other additional information, just like where did you learn about ISTA PhD program? Okay, there are different options. You can select one of them, and then the last is about the referees. You have to mention 3 referees. Okay, you have to write their information. A referee can be it's your a master or bachelor degree supervisor. Okay, it can be a supervisor or co-supervisor. You have to write its title. What's his title? He is a associate professor, assistant professor, or full professor. First name, last name, institution, and email ID and country. Okay, you have to write his email ID correctly, and then you can add the other from here. Okay, and you can click on add referee. Then another reference will be open, and you have to submit 3 references. Okay, if you have submitted 3, and then it will be fine. If you have not submitted 3, then they will not consider your application. Then after that, you can review your application and submit the button. This is how you can apply for this PhD application. Hope so you have find this video interesting and useful, and please subscribe my channel, and like it and leave a comment. If you have any issue, if you have any query regarding application, then you can ask in the comment section. And furthermore, you can follow me on the Instagram. Thank you so much.